So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a verified Palmpay account so you can start making money online in Nigeria. So before, you're going to see a link below this video. Click on the link. It's going to take you to a page like this. Once you get to this page, simply enter your mobile number and click on Get Now. Then it's going to ask you to open the Palmpay app or download the app. So simply click on the Open Palmpay app, and then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see the install button. Click on install the app, then allow the app to download. Finish. Then you're going to open the app. You're going to see open or uninstall. Click on the open button. You're going to open the app up, and you're going to get to this page. But if you don't see this page, you're going to see this page. So simply click on the sign up now. Once you click on sign up now, it's going to take you to this page. Simply enter your mobile number and click on send SMS. Once you click on send SMS, they're going to send you a text message to your mobile phone. This is going to be like this. You're going to see a code 6801. Your code is going to be a different code, so just simply copy the code and then paste it here, and then you enter your legal first name, you enter your surname, then you select your gender if you're a male or a female, then you enter your date of birth, and then click on the sign up button. That's it. So this invitation code, you're going to leave the invitation code blank. Click on sign up button, and it's going to take you to this page. Once you get to this page, simply locate this me button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the me button, it's going to take you to this page. So you're going to enter your banks and card. That's to verify your account. You need to enter these banks and card. So click on banks and card. Then click on bank accounts. Then click on add bank. No, click on bank account up here. It's going to take you to this page. And you're going to click on add bank account. So once you click on add bank account, you're going to select your bank and then input your account number, and then click on the next button, and then you're going to enter your PIN. If you don't have a PIN, you're going to set a new PIN, and then it's going to show you success. Congratulations on binding your bank account. The real name authentication is verified. So that's it.